Welcome back to Home Garden Inspiration, your favorite destination for transforming your outdoor spaces into breathtaking retreats. In today's video, we are exploring 15 primitive-style small garden entryway ideas that perfectly capture vintage and rustic vibes. These charming designs will help you create a nostalgic and welcoming threshold for your home, using natural materials and weathered textures. Before we dive into these cozy inspirations, please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. A classic white picket fence with a distressed finish sets the perfect primitive tone for your entryway. This look relies on slightly chipped paint and rough-hewn wood to suggest a history of many seasons. Line the path with wildflowers to soften the transition between the home facade and the garden gate. This simple setup instantly transports guests to a simpler, more rustic time. Nothing says primitive style quite like integrating old iron garden tools into a wooden gate structure. Using vintage rakes or shovels as decorative pickets adds a unique, handcrafted feel to your garden wall. The contrast between the rusted metal and the weathered wood creates a striking visual focal point. It is a creative way to honor the agricultural roots of traditional rustic design. Stacking natural river stones to create low-profile pillars offers a grounded and ancient aesthetic for your small entryway. These stone markers act as a sturdy boundary that blends seamlessly with the partial stone home facade. Intersperse moss or small ferns between the rocks to give the entrance a settled, lived-in appearance. It provides a quiet, organic greeting for anyone approaching your garden sanctuary. Lean a large vintage wooden wagon wheel against a partial garden fence to establish an immediate rustic theme. The circular geometry of the wheel breaks up the linear lines of the home's exterior and garden wall. Surround the base with terracotta pots and low-growing herbs like thyme or rosemary for fragrance. This iconic primitive element serves as a beautiful nod to frontier-style gardening. Constructing a simple arch from reclaimed barnwood creates a heavy, textured frame for your garden entrance. The deep grains and silvered patina of the old wood offer an authentic vintage atmosphere. This structure looks best when nestled against a neutral-colored cottage facade or a matching wooden fence. It acts as a rugged portal that invites visitors to step into your private botanical world. Use thick, rough-cut timber posts to flank your entryway and hang blackened iron lanterns from them. The warm glow of the lanterns highlights the textures of the wood and the adjacent garden wall during twilight. This setup provides a safe, welcoming path while maintaining a moody, primitive aesthetic. It is a functional yet highly atmospheric addition to any small rustic garden. Woven willow panels provide a soft, organic texture that is quintessential to the primitive gardening style. These hurdles offer privacy while maintaining a lightweight and breathable feel for a small entryway. Position the willow fence so it overlaps with a brick or stone home facade for a beautiful mix of materials. This handcrafted look emphasizes a deep connection to traditional rural craftsmanship. Nailing vintage horseshoes onto a wooden garden wall creates a charming and lucky trellis for climbing roses. The dark, oxidized metal provides a wonderful contrast against light-colored blooms and green foliage. This detail is small enough for tight entryways, but packed with rustic personality and historical charm. It serves as a subtle yet effective decorative element for a primitive-themed home. Applying weathered cedar shingles to a small section of garden wall mimics the cozy aesthetic of a vintage cottage. Line your entryway fence with a series of aged galvanized steel buckets filled with heirloom flowers. The cool gray of the metal complements the warm tones of a wooden home facade and rustic fencing. These portable containers allow you to change your garden's look with the seasons while maintaining a primitive vibe. They represent the practical and resourceful spirit of vintage country living. Focusing on small details like a heavy, hand-forged iron latch can significantly elevate a simple garden gate. This tactile element provides a sense of permanence and quality that modern hardware often lacks. Match the ironwork with a heavy-duty wooden fence made from thick, unpainted planks. It creates a satisfyingly sturdy entrance that feels like it has stood for decades. A short section of split-rail fencing offers an open and airy primitive boundary for a small front garden. The irregular, hand-split logs provide a rugged silhouette that looks great against a clapboard home facade. Use the corners of the rails to tuck in clusters of black-eyed Susans or coneflowers. This style is perfect for those who want a rustic look without closing off their entryway completely. Mounting several weathered birdhouses on high posts along your garden wall adds a whimsical, primitive touch. These small structures provide a sense of life and activity right at the entrance of your home. Use houses made from scrap wood and tin to maintain the authentic, repurposed rustic aesthetic. It is a delightful way to greet visitors with the sights and sounds of nature. Create a path through your entryway using large cross-sections of fallen logs as stepping stones. These natural rounds provide a beautiful earthy texture that leads the eye toward the home facade. Surround the log slices with dark mulch or fine gravel to make the wood grain stand out. This approach uses the garden's own materials to create a functional and primitive walkway. A decorative fence made from lashed-together twigs and branches offers a delicate, handcrafted look for a small entryway. This primitive technique creates a unique pattern that feels like it was grown rather than built. Position this fence near a stone wall or wood-sided home to showcase the intricate branch work. We hope these ideas inspired your next project, so please comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel.